Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is consistent. Okay, so we are going to be trying out some glasses from Voogueme. Oh my gosh, Voogueme. I've always wanted to try these frames, and I actually wanted the prescription version, but my prescription didn't come through on time, so I was like, let me just get the glasses, the frames, just to see what they look like. But this is Voogueme. I'm sure you've seen this company a lot. I think there's another company called Zlul or Zlul or Zlul or Zlul, I don't know. But Voogueme, they have glasses, and you can get prescription-based glasses, and you can get like regular fashion glasses. But I really love these stylish frames. I think they're cool. I don't like to wear glasses like on an everyday basis, because sometimes it makes you look like older, and sometimes I don't like that look. Yeah, but I don't know, my prescription didn't come through on time, and I just wanted to try the frames. So I'm going to get some prescription based glasses as soon as possible when the prescription is ready. And yeah, but for now we're going to be trying on 5 pairs of glasses that Voogueme sent me. I didn't purchase them, they just, you know, sent these to me to try out. But as I said before, I've been looking at the website for a long time. I even contacted them once, I don't know how long, maybe like a year ago or 2 years ago. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I contacted them, you know, to collaborate with them, because I really like their glasses. I love glasses, and because they were like prescription based, as I said before, I wanted to try them out. But anyway, we're going to try them out. This video is not sponsored, like it's not a paid sponsorship. Products were given to me for free to try them out, but don't feel pressured. I'm just showing you like the glasses, and I'm sure you're going to appreciate the glasses that I'm going to show you. Okay, so yeah, all right. But as I said before, you can get prescription based frames. You can give them your prescription and you can get the glasses, or you can just get cool frames if that's what you want. But let me not talk too much. Let me just get straight into the video. You can try the glasses online. You can try them online. Yes, everything is online, and the glasses are affordable, so you don't have to worry about anything. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the first frame that I got. Each of the glasses, they come individually packed. They come with a cleaner or something that you can clean the glasses with, and they all have the name Voogueme on them. Okay, nice. Or Voogueme this way. Yeah, and this is the first pair. So it comes in the case, orange, and it comes with the cleaning cloth. And this is the frame. Let me just clean it first before I actually put it on. Okay, so you can clean your frames. These are like plastic frames, and the plastic lens, and the frames are, I think, plastic acrylic-y. Yeah, maybe plastic. Let me just clean it off, but they don't feel like regular cheap like glasses. They feel nice and thick, and they feel as though they can last a long time. Let me just clean it off. But this is the frame, or this is how it looks. Yes, and it has that batch number inside right here. Yeah. And then it has like the rest here on the inside. I'm going to try it on, okay, because that's what you're here for. So this is the first pair. Tell me what you think. Let me pull my ears out. Okay, good. So tell me what you think. Do you like? I should have like worn makeup or something just to look, you know, nice and cute. But anyway, we didn't want to wear any makeup today, but this is the first frame. Really loving it. Tell me what you think. What do you think? Let me take a picture. This one, I think, I don't know, I think this is cute. I think it's cute for your no makeup days, if you don't want to wear any makeup and you still want to look cute. Yeah, so this is the first one. Nice. Tell me what you think, because I might like it and then everybody's like, no, Jody, no. But this is the first pair. Nice and cute. What is this? Okay, let me close it back and put it in the package. Okay, let me try the next one. So as I said before, everything comes in their own unique cases. I'm just gonna clean this one. This one is like blue. I has some a nice detail. Blue and some other colors. It almost looks like army colors, or what do you say now? The pattern is like army pattern. I don't know. Or camouflage pattern, but it's not like camo. And then it has a different pattern at the bottom. So this is very cute, and it's the same thing. So the camo colored pattern here, pattern, or yeah, pattern, and then at the end of the glasses it has a different texture or pattern, not texture. Let me just clean it off. Okay, and then this is the next pair. Tell me what you think. I like this. This is cute. Yeah, this makes me look cute. I don't know. I look like an actual teacher. Well, I'm actually a teacher, but I look more like a teacher now. Okay, so this is the second one. Let me take it off. Oh, nice. So this is the second one. Let me move on to the third one. Hopefully the camera doesn't stop. This one is the one that I really liked, because let me just clean it. It has this metal at the top of the frame, but it's like see-through. It's like it's not really, it doesn't have any plastic, so it's a mixture of like plastic, and then it has this metal detail up here. So it's separating the lens from the frame. So that's pretty cool. And as I said before, it has this the design or the color is almost like camouflage or camo style, but it's not actually that. Okay, so let's try it on. Yes, I feel like this is my favorite so far. I mean, I just said that maybe with the other one, but yeah, no, not like for real. Maybe this is actually my favorite. Oh yes, definitely my favorite so far. Tell me what you think. Definitely my favorite so far. So from choosing these frames, when I get the prescription ones, I think I will know what other frames I should choose. Let me just push it up a little bit more. Yeah, well, tell me what you think. I really like this one. So nice. Okay, so we still have 2 more to go. Okay, so this one is going to be an interesting one. This is like camouflage. This is actual camo. I don't know what was I was thinking, like with the camo frames. I don't know, I just thought they were cute. Yeah, next time I'm gonna get like some smaller frames. These are like for like if you want to look cool, or if you're going out and you just want to look cool. Yeah, these are the cool kind of frames. Okay. Oh, this one is giving me a futuristic vibe. Yeah, it's giving me futuristic futuristic vibe or whatever. All right, stop, Jody. Yeah, like literally, this a give me futuristic. It a give me futuristic. It a give me Superwoman. It a give me Clark Kent. Yeah, it's giving me Clark Kent vibe. It's giving me Clark Kent vibe, literally. I like it. I like it. Take a picture. Yeah, it's giving me Clark Kent vibe. Yeah, maybe I should have worn like makeup to try it on, but usually when I'm wearing these glasses, I don't wear makeup. Yeah, you wear glasses like these, like fashionable glasses, to hide the fact that you aren't like made up, or you know. Yeah, you just put on a nice fashionable glasses so you can look as though you were thinking about looking good. Yeah, that's the vibe. But it's cute. It's cute to the supermarket, or it's cute to the mall or something. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? I like it. I love it, actually. I like the yeah, girl. Yes. So guys, this is it. Oh no, like me a table. There's one more. So let's go to the next one. So the next one is, it feels a little bit small. I don't even know what I ordered, but the next one is really, really nice. Okay. This one is giving me hot girl teacher. 21st century teacher. Okay, sensei. Like, it's giving me a lot of things. 21st century teacher. So this is what the frame is looking like. I love this. I don't know, I love this. I wish they all were like prescription, but this is it. This one is the metal frame. It's very thin, nice, like cat eyes kind of vibe. Yeah, but this is it. Let me put this on. Tell me if you think, tell me what you think about the frame. Oh my god. Yeah, no. This is actually my favorite. This is actually my favorite. This is actually my favorite, to be honest. Like, this is my favorite. Yeah, girl. Yes, girl. Girl. And it has like these nice jewels at the end. I'm gonna keep this on for the rest of the video. I hope that the light doesn't glare and you don't see all of that. But guys, this is giving. This is giving what I should have gave. These 24Z Gen Z individuals be making me talk a certain way. But yeah, guys, I really like this. I think I want this in a prescription base. I think I want this. I love this frame. It's so cute. Yeah, but these are the glasses, guys. I know that I was just like extra in this video, but it was just a try on haul. I just wanted to show you the glasses that Voogueme has, and as I said before, they're prescription based. If that's what you're interested in, they feel good, they look nice, and there's a there are so many to choose from, so many styles. Like I just have a small amount of styles, like 5. They have so many styles, you know. Yeah, but these are the styles that I tried on. Hope you like it. Everything will be linked in the description. And also, if you use my code, I have a code, I think. If you use my code, you'll get discounts off your orders, because these are not like very expensive. They're so cheap. Very cheap. Very cheap glasses, but they're nice. You know, they're giving you Nautica, you're giving you Calvin Klein's vibes. You know, Calvin Klein. But I don't even know the name of the brand. Calvin Klein vibes, you know? Yeah. But this is it, guys. Hope you really love this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I did a good job at showing you 5 glasses. Okay, and as I said before, you can get it's like prescription based glasses, whatever. You can get these cute, nice, affordable frames if you want just, you know, do a little something extra. But yeah, I really love it. I really like this one. It's giving. And I love the little bedazzle, the jewels. It helps to accentuate or to just make me look as if I tried hard to go hard. Yeah. But this is just basic Jody, basic me, and I think I want to wear this today. I'm gonna wear this today. But yeah, guys, this is it for your girl. See you in the next one. Hope you enjoy the video, and continue to take care of your skin. And if you rock your natural skin, you can rock frames to, you know, accentuate your face and to frame your face and just to give you a nice cool look without even wearing makeup, period. Okay, yeah. But this is it for me, guys. I'm not sure why I'm acting like this. Jody, stop, please. But this is it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. And don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Alright, we're done. Alright.